boy.
Good boy, Falcor. Good boy, Falcor. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Okay.
Keep petting him.
Good boy, baby. Good boy. So good afternoon, guys. It's been quite a while since we last had a vlog, but there's not an event today. I just feel like, you know, after taking a shower and putting a little bit of makeup on, it's nice to open my vlogger here. So we're actually heading out to buy Papa's medicine and my diabetes medicine as well. And maybe after that, we're going to check out the other vet near Lopez, where we had them groomed last time, because the animal hospital here has no doctor to see us. They are open, but there's just no doctor right now. Apparently they're all out. So, and Falcor has a particular skin disease. It's really bad. He's been itching and he's been scratching it to the point that the fur is coming off. So yeah, it's not looking good, and I'm not even going to show it to you because it's kind of disgusting. So yeah, I think Ralph is still trying to look good, although he doesn't really need to. He doesn't need to make an effort for that. He already looks good, but he's there. He's there inside the bathroom right now. So we're already back from the Mercury Drugstore. We bought 2 more OptiFast. By the way, thank you, Mercury Drug Hinigaran. They're gonna reorder again because apparently they only ordered for me. So we're heading to the other vet. We already went there to check if they're open. Look at him.
You gotta let Mama in first.
So, we are taking this, we are taking this little monster to the other vet, or to the new vet. He's being good right now. He's actually very excited.
Come on. Come on.
There he is. We are in ESPADERA Animal Clinic. We normally go to Hinigaran Animal Hospital, but they don't have a doctor today.
Sit down. Sit.
Sit down. Sit down. Si Falcor.
Sit. Falcor, sit. Sit down. Good boy. Stay.
Ang kilid, di wala mo ginbutangan ko lang siya sang powder nga basta ginhatag sang last niya nga doktor. Kag may nga anti-parasite nga powder.
Did it happen to have some ticks and fleas?
When he's a baby, but not recently.
Yeah, sang baby pa siya.
Wala.
Though wala na mo na ano.
I don't think it's flea allergic dermatitis. Though ano lang siya ma'am, focal alopecia. Feeling ko may mange siya or mines. Are you familiar sa mga parasite na?
No, pero magulong ina.
May inject ko na, anti-parasitic na injection. Then, pa-maintain ka lang ka mo anti-paritic, anti-itching na medicine.
This is my first time here. She is a doctor. I figured it out. Apparently, when we arrived here, the other dogs in that house were trying to tell him something. Like, you're gonna get injected, you're gonna get treated. So look at Falcor.
Sige. First time niya ma-injected, ma?
No. Sa dati, ginanan siya.
So,
Falcor.
ano siya kung ibutang sa table? May signs of nervousness?
Though okay man lang siya.
Okay.
No, but he might jump if he does.
Yeah, we need to be...
Hold him while you...
So sa floor lang?
Pero medyo stingy ni siya, ma'am, kaya kay oil-based.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. I will be here.
No.
Sit down. Sit. Oh, okay. I will be here. Kay akon gini siya gano gini sa mama. Sit down.
Good boy.
Good boy, Falcor. Good boy, Falcor. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Okay.
Keep petting him.
Good boy, baby. Good boy. Good boy, Falcor. Good boy. Good boy.
Now, Mama, get me some ice cream.
It's not small anymore like before.
Good boy.
Sabi yan, ma'am, nagmamasaw sila. Nakapunta sila.
Waay man.
Maybe she should muzzle him just in case.
Pwede man ako puntahan yun na lang ko rin para...
Because he's not usually this.
Kag before, do kagamay, patuya sa yakap
Hindi
tani.
ka pagpag-umili sa amin, ano pa man.
Gamay pa, di ba?
Come on, we're gonna.
Falcor. Falcor. Falcor.
Falcor, nobody's gonna hurt you again.
Again.
Dapat galit nag-una ko na yung tip sa iyan. Miss ko na dad.
Jack, kayo doon na trauma siya.
Kapalubi. Nga ba na yung tip
Oo,
ko?
nalipad man ko.
You think mas maano siya or pwede naman na siguro?
Pwede na lang gano'n. Oh, okay. Let's just forget the nails. I don't want him to cry.
Tayo na lang
Pagbalik. Oo.
Hindi ko gusto first time na ako.
Yeah. We're getting ready now to go to Mila's. I'm wearing the new outfit that Ralph bought me the last time we went to Bacolod. I also put a blue shade of eyeshadow, although it's not looking like blue anymore. Kind of blended it with something else, so it's not showing as blue. We're just going to Mila's. That's just where we're going. Nothing fancy. So good evening, guys. We are here again at Ting Ting's Native Restaurant. We were supposed to be at Mila's, but then I realized it's already getting late, so we really won't be getting anything other than sandwiches, and it's our date, and maybe we want to order something else, so we just decided to come here. This is a very big day for the Philippines because we won the Miss Universe pageant 2018, Catriona Gray. What did you order? Last time.
I don't remember. Something sizzling.
And we were also seated here last time. She's the owner, by the way. The one in blue. So I ordered mango shake today, and Ralph the usual Coke. I think last time he ordered Mountain Dew, I'm not sure, but look at their display of mango shake.
A little bit of ramen, be perfect. Look like a pina colada.
My sizzling spare ribs again. I ordered the same thing again because this is just to die for. God, their TV is so loud. The last time we were here, it was also Meteor Garden that's on the background. I guess whenever we're here, it's always Meteor Garden that's on.
Or they just turn up the volume because they don't want to listen to us fight.
Ralph's order arrived. Da 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 da. Crab meat for a change. Well, you know me, I'm the one who always sticking to the same thing. We are about to head out, but we ordered pulburon and pastillas. This is a Laguna delicacy, I think, from Luzon. Yeah, I used to eat that, but I think it's very sweet.
Sweeter than the pulveron?
Yeah, I think so. There's actually a lot of people coming here. I think the last time we were just the only ones, but because it's December and people are in Plaza, and this is kind of near Plaza, they can just walk straight from Plaza to here, right? This was very good, by the way. This is very good. Okay, so we're home now, and right away I have the baby with me. I did not kidnap it, but I need Jen to get my dogs the treat, or not the treats, the dogs, the food that I brought from Ting Ting's. You can hear Falcor right now. But look at the baby. Hi, hi. Anyway, thank you so much for watching our vlog today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and please subscribe to our channel. Bye!